Bogus doctor arrested in Midrand after allegedly practicing illegally for 10 years. A shocking case has emerged from Midrand where a 50-year-old woman has been arrested for illegally practicing as a medical doctor without any qualifications for more than a decade. According to the Johannesburg Metropolitan Police Department Tactical Response Unit, officers acted on information about a suspected unregistered medical practitioner operating from a clinic on South Road. When police arrived at the premises, the woman was found actively consulting with two patients. She was unable to provide any documentation authorizing her to practice medicine, including a valid Health Professions Council of South Africa HPCSA practice number. During questioning, the suspect allegedly admitted that she had never completed medical training and held no medical qualifications or certificates. She further confessed to having worked as a doctor for more than 10 years without legal credentials. Police seized 6 patients' files along with various items from the consulting room, including prescription pads, sick notes, eye screening certificates, and documents bearing the names of other registered medical practitioners. Some of the seized materials also included PCRDP certificates and professional documents that are believed to have been misused. The woman has been arrested on charges of fraud and contravention of the Health Professions Act, which criminalizes practicing any healthcare profession without proper registration with the HPCSA. Authorities have confirmed that criminal proceedings are now underway, and the suspect is expected to appear in court on Monday. This case has raised serious concern about patient safety, clinic oversight, and public trust in healthcare services, with officials urging members to the public to always verify medical practitioners through the HPCSA register before seeking treatment.